Volleyball rules. The first rule is, in volleyball, you cannot hit the ball 2 times continuously, or it will change sign to the other team and you will lose a point. Also, if the other team do the thing, they will also get treated by the same way. Second rule, your team cannot hit the ball 4 times in a row, or then you will lose a point. So nearly your kind play is to 1. Catch the ball. Second, there will be a person to make the ball higher, and third, after the ball is higher, the next person can smash the ball and score. Third rule, you hit the ball, but if you hold it over a second, you lose a point. That almost happened in the second to make the ball higher, because they will have to toss and make the ball higher. Fourth rule, the players cannot touch the net. If anyone touch it, the team who touched the net will lose a point, or the people can just flutter the net and hit the ball and scores. Fifth rule, if you are surviving the ball and you step on the tee line, then you will lose a point. Because if you step on it, you will make them surviving the ball more easier, because you will make yourself and the net more closer. This is the MOA.